The court looked at 4 grounds that were remitted back by the Constitutional Court. In its judgment, the High Court found that the prosecution has shown that it had probable charges against Cholota. The judge also found that the state's request for extradition did not include claims of her being a fugitive and a flight risk as main grounds to extradite her. But Cholota did try to interdict her extradition by approaching the Constitutional Court. The court indicated that although the state mistakenly mentioned that she has links in Kenya, there was reasonable proof that she has links in another African country.
In the premises, I find that the state has shown beyond a reasonable doubt that there is no merit in the remaining grounds of Ms. Cholota's special plea. The following order is consequently made. 1. The remaining grounds of Ms. Cholota's special plea are dismissed. 2. This court has jurisdiction to try Ms. Cholota on the charges she is facing. The court will now adjourn.
The state feels vindicated that the court has settled that claims of dishonesty never formed part of the extradition hearing in the U.S. It says the outcome is an affirmation of the persuasive arguments it advanced in its bid to show that it did not misrepresent facts to U.S. authorities when it requested Cholota's extradition.
The judge brought forward the issue of this forensic report that is independently pointing to some payments that would have been made, requests that would have been made, and interpreting that to be some form of kickbacks. But he was very cautious to say, yes, the trial court will ventilate that issue, but this assertion that we lied in that regard cannot be substantiated. It is on that basis that the fourth ground was dismissed.
The court's ruling has shocked the defense, and it says it will study the judgment to determine the way forward.
We are taken aback by a sudden change from this court. You will note that during the judgment, the judge indicated that Ms. Cholota was charged after she refused to implicate Mr. Ace Magashule. Over and above that, the country at large has been watching the 2 witnesses that testify during the trial within trial. We surprised, and our client is as equally surprised by the outcome or a sudden change in as far as the court is concerned.
The decision may still be challenged on appeal.
It does not stop them to approach the High Court, the Supreme Court of Appeal, for them to appeal the decision of this court. And that it will make a delay again for the court to proceed next time, because remember that she will have to be prosecuted with the other accused on the matter.
The main trial is expected to be back at the Free State High Court on the 2nd of March. Makhala Masiteng, SABC News, Bloemfontein.